curious to your thoughts on this, Matt. Is sales for everyone? Can it be taught?
100%. And I want to give you the invert of that too. I'm going to say yes. As a person that has taught thousands of people how to make six figures, mid six figures, even seven figures, yes, this can be taught. And on the flip side, I want to double down on that and say this. Nobody is born a salesperson. More than people are born knowing how to speak Cantonese or fly an F-22 fighter jet.
Wow.
Okay. Sales, Cantonese, and flying fighter jets all need to and should be learned. They are skillful practices. And these people that think, oh, I'm a born salesperson, you might have been born an extrovert, but check this out. Who do you think makes more money, extroverts or introverts?
I'm going to go with introverts.
It's actually even.
Oh, okay.
Because if there's no skillful training, now I can outpace. If they've been through my training, they typically make 4 to 7 times more than anybody else. But here's the difference. An extrovert will start the conversation because they're not afraid to start the conversation, but they won't listen to the answers. An introvert will have trouble starting the conversation, but introverts listen. And we have to do both of those things skillfully, right? We've got to start skillfully and we've got to listen skillfully. And like we said before, if you slow the process down in the beginning, you will speed up the result in the end. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're going to catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.